I'm going to show you how I port the cylinder head with the HeadGames burrs. All right, so now this thing's ported and ready for digitizing. I flow tested it, not on camera, well actually on camera, but for a totally different video. So be sure to watch out for that. We are gonna put this thing against the mighty Voodoo. Actually, maybe we'll wait until it's CNC'd. We'll put that one against the Voodoo. But now it's time for Matt to take over. He's gonna digitize it. Ah, the Christmas morning feeling. Let's get some of the fluid out of this thing and then bring it over so we can take a good look at her. The intake port. Got my fin. I think we should take it out of the machine and look at this. Man, oh man. You looking delish. See some blending I got to do. Yeah, everybody thinks that because it's in a CNC, that it's just always going to come out perfect. And that is farthest from the truth. As you can see here, they're a little different. Each one. Everything has got like that little one on the side. It looks like 1 and 4 is just a tad more. Not too bad though. And the combustion chambers. Hello, darling. Looking party. Matt I really like the step over. He put that thing. You can see in the corners, the chamber not cleaned up. Not a big deal. Everything's blended really nice. Everything nice. I hope you guys like it too. Let's take a look at the exhaust. Oh, she pretty. We got our fins. Everything looks pretty cleaned up. Everything looks pretty, except for the bowls. I guess some of the bowls aren't really cleaned up. Some of them are. Overall, super happy. Let's take it out and take a real look at it. All right, look at that. Had to clean it up a little bit. So we got our fin inside the port. We got our fin on the floor of the port, the roof of the port. And this is the other head. So we had to port both, obviously. Still always in that mark on that one side there. I'm thinking looking delicious. Gosh, I love it. I love it when a plan comes together. Try to get a good light on there. Tell me that thing is not just absolutely stunning. Combustion chambers just looking like they want to party with a lot of boost. You can see right here, it didn't really clean up right here. It didn't really clean up right there. But I'm not really concerned about that so much because it really doesn't do anything. You know, it was like porting and it meant something, then that's when you worry about it. But man, these things came out delish. Let's take a look at the exhaust. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how you fall in love. That's really how you fall in love. I'm loving that port. See all my fins in there? Got my fins, guide bosses. Looking good, man. I can't wait to put some GSC guides in that thing. It is just sexy. Some you don't even want to do anything with. And this is the port that I actually ported and Matt digitized and cut over it. You see it mostly cleaned up. Yeah, we're looking good, man. Super happy. All right, guys, that's going to do it for us today. Next up, we're going to put the valve guides in. We're going to valve job it. We're going to flow it, and we're going to assemble it, and we're going to show you that, maybe not all of it, but we're going to show you a whole bunch of it in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Toodles.